Best
book I've
book on
ever read
AI.
on AI. It's this book called Power and Prediction. It's incredible. It got me right away when I started talking about how if it wasn't for the invention of electricity, Henry Ford's assembly line would never have worked, right? Prior to industries redesigning factories in light of electricity as the underlying power source, instead of just taking what was already a steam based factory and using point to point solutions, when they redesigned the entire factory from scratch with electricity in mind, that's when they started seeing real disruptive and real transformation in the industry. The point that they even said that if it wasn't for electricity, Ford's assembly line would have never have worked in a steam powered factory. A couple of things too, real quick, that I think are just super interesting was this line that said, if we had a dollar for every time a startup founder gave that answer of it will provide insights to mentors, we'd be rich. So it goes on to say that insights is a trigger word for us because it represents precisely the wrong way of thinking about how an AI advance will create value. For a new AI prediction, insights is code for we don't know what to do with that prediction, which I think is just absolutely a brilliant line right there. So true, so interesting. So next time someone or a vendor talks to you about AI insights, just know that's code for we don't know what to do with that prediction, which I love that. Here's one thing else too that I think is rather interesting, especially for us in local government, is this. In chapters, I think it's kind of towards the end of the book, it goes through what's called an AI systems discovery canvas, how to kind of build AI in your own organization. And what it has you do is it says, what are the fewest decisions you can reduce your business to? So, what are the fewest decisions you can reduce your business to and still meet your business mission? I think that is just a brilliant exercise, and I want to kind of play around with, especially over the Thanksgiving break. I encourage you the same thing. If you take a look at your team, take a look at your city, take a look at your organization. What are the fewest decisions you can reduce your organization to while still meeting the mission of your city? And then from there, that's where you say, okay, can AI be applied to this or not? So, all that to say, incredible book. Go grab it. I have zero, I don't know any of these people who they are. I've never met them before. So, I have no necessarily profit or interest in having them make more sales other than I just think it's a great book, and I think local government should definitely read that one. If you're interested in deploying and implementing AI in your city, go read Power and Prediction. I'll post a link in the comment below that you can get a copy of it.